First Robotics Team 1511 presents We Can Robot.
Hi, my name is Kyle from First Robotics Team 1511 Rolling Thunder from Penfield High School. In the first program, students like you and me can work together with our friends and mentors to design, build, program, and compete with robots and learn about STEM, or science, technology, engineering, and math, along the way. Last episode, we asked the question, what is a robot? And I challenged you all to draw or design your own robot using Legos or markers, whatever you wanted. Today, we're going to learn about programming, a very important part of a robot, because without programming, a robot is just a hunk of metal that can't do much. Programming is how we make it move, jump, speak, or even think. In first, programming is an essential part of our robots. Every year, a robot can move, shoot, climb, and more, all thanks to programming. At the beginning of every match, our robots move autonomously, which means that there's no one driving it. Isn't that cool? Programming is a way to talk to your computer or device. But sadly, the computer can't talk like we do, so we have to talk to it in its own language. And just like our world, there are tons of programming languages that we can learn to speak. Today, we're going to speak to our computer using Scratch, an easy and fun way to learn programming made by our friends at MIT. Instead of using commands, Scratch uses blocks that we can snap together to complete certain tasks. And now that we're in Scratch, you can find Scratch in the description below. It's scratch.mit.edu. We have our good friend here, the Scratch Cat. Today in Scratch, we're going to make our friend Scratch Cat say hello. In Scratch, there are many different types of blocks that we can use, right here on the left-hand side of your window. The first step to making a Scratch program is with an event block. So click here on the Events category of blocks and then drag in. We'll just start with this one. So now that you have your event block in, we can basically do whatever we want now in Scratch. But I want to make Scratch Cat say hi to me, so I'm going to go into the Looks category, and I'm just going to make Scratch Cat say hello. Once we have our two blocks in, let's make sure to test our program and make sure it works on the first try. When you're programming or doing anything, you always want to make sure you're testing it before it's finished, just to make sure it works as you expect it. So to start it, you click the green flag right here, and that's just because we told our program to start when we click the green flag with our event block right here. So we're just going to click the button, and look at that. Scratch Cat is saying hi to us. How nice of him. Hi, Scratch Cat. And there is our very first Scratch program. What makes Scratch and programming a ton of fun is that it's so easy to get started with, but once you learn the basics of programming, you can do almost anything you want. You can make a game, you can program an app, or even program a robot like we do. Hopefully, we'll do more episodes on Scratch in the future, but in the meantime, I want to see what you guys can come up with in Scratch. With the help of your parents, make a Scratch account and get to programming. Stay home, stay safe, and have a great rest of your day. See ya.